This is a mobile home we're working on renovating here in Spruce Grove, Alberta. This is an addition we're building. Will be 20 feet by 10 feet approximately. The 212 roof. We will be adding a slope package to the roof as well. We completely gutted this room, replaced the walls and floor. Obviously, we have completely removed the floor in this area. We had to level the floor along that wall. It completely sagged. The previous owners had installed drywalling over top of the paneling, which was causing the floor to sag along with a moisture issue that we are working on correcting. And here we are completely redoing this bathroom. These panels will be painted white. This floor was completely rebuilt as well, obviously. We moved the hot water tank from this area over into this corner. Added some shelving. I actually got this tub for free off of Facebook Marketplace. And with a quick clean, it'll be a good functioning tub. We are not offering a brand new home. We are just offering a renovated, cleaned up trailer. Here I'm working on replacing or tearing out these panels. And we're going to turn this into an ensuite bathroom. Something we've been noticing is that with the addition of the vinyl siding on top of the existing siding, it seems to be causing moisture issues in a few different areas, which is to be expected. This will be a hallway leading into a bedroom with an exterior door. So, well, anybody that stuck around to watch, I greatly appreciate it, and I'll keep coming up with these update videos on this renovation. Seems to be quite popular these days. If you have any questions or recommendations, please let me know. And don't be scared to like, share, and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate that. We're working on getting to 1,000 subscribers so we can go live. That would be greatly appreciated. So thanks again. Cheers.